Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this new design plate is designed here, and this body is this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important new design plate, create a CATIA software, and how to easily drawing this body, and this body is learn, and this is a very useful and new design create here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This plate is designed here. Okay, this is a isometric, this is a create a multi-view is drawing here, and select this. Okay, this is a single plate, and this is looking very nice looking here. Okay, guys, this plate is a design, back side and front side is both side is a very nice looking here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a back side is also looking perfect, and this is a front side is also looking perfect. Okay, and all boundary is looking so nice here and so good. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, guys, at first click a mechanical design and use a this is a generative sheet metal design. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, at first select a YZ plane and drawing this is a positional sketch is drawing here, and simple drawing is okay. This is a correct, and use a this center rectangle is draw any geometry. Okay, and this dimension is a use this and this width and this length is correct, and this is a 340 is correct, and this is a 240 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use this corner point is this is a select this and use a 40 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a correct, and then exit. Use a okay, this is a sheet metal parameters is very important, because at first select a sheet metal parameters, then other command is activated, and you can see here on the screen this all command is not activated because already is not activated. At first select this sheet metal parameters, then other command is also activated. Okay, this is a perfect. All sheet metal parameters, all 3D command is activated and also correct. This thickness value and this default bend radius value is also variable, and you can see here easily and clearly, and you can change easily and clearly. Okay, this value is changeable, and I think this thickness is 1 millimeter and this default bend radius is 2 millimeter is correct. Okay, and at first select a wall is created here, and this is a correct. Preview is showing here, this is a perfect, and this is a invert material side. Okay, also correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a use this shading with edge, and this is a correct. Okay, and at first select this face click and use a okay, again select a position sketch drawing here, and this click a sweep and reverse vertical, and then okay, this is correct. But this is not perfect, and control Z. Okay, this is okay, select this face and click position sketch, and okay, this is correct. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and this is a hide. Okay, perfect. Okay, and at first select this is a offset command is used here, and anywhere click, and this is correct. And this value is changed here, minus 10 is correct. Okay, better. Click exit, and then this command is very important. This is a surface stamp command is very important, and click this value, this parameters is changed here. Angle is 90 degree and height is a 6.5, and then first radius is 3.2, and then other radius, second radius is 3.1. okay, this preview is showing here, and this is a correct. And also change this is a 6.8 is better. Okay, preview is showing here, this is correct. Okay, some little bend here, and okay, this is perfect. And again select this face and exit, click this position sketch is, and click okay. Okay, this is a very important, because this at first select a center rectangle and create any point. This is a perfect, and then two circle is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect, two circle is a drawing here, and then second is this. Okay, and some dimension is mentioned here. Okay, this is a perfect, and at first select this length, and this is a this. Okay, and this is a two distance between this, and select this. Okay, and select this point, and this point is distance between this, and select this point, and this is this point is this point, and this point is okay, this point is correct. Okay, and again select okay, this is a perfect, and select this point, and this point is this. Okay, okay, all is looking perfect, and select this point, because okay, select this point, and this point is also this. Okay, all is green color means this is a fully defined, and one by one is change here. This dimension is a 165 is correct. Okay, and this dimension is a this length is a 190 is correct. Okay, okay, and this is a 20, and also this is a 15 is correct, and also this is a 15 is correct. And corner is this corner is a select here, and this is a 20 millimeter is correct. All is a millimeter, because this is a 20 millimeter is correct, and this is a 20 millimeter, and again select this is 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter is better. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and select this is a 90 millimeter, diameter is 90. Okay, and select this is a also 90, and select this distance is a 110 is correct, and select this is a 40. Okay, 50 millimeter is correct. Okay, 52 is better. Okay, 51 is nice. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this distance is a 55, and again select this distance is also 55 is correct. Okay, okay, all is looking perfect and all is correct. Okay, this is a correct and perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and 100 is better. Then select 95 is correct. Okay, this is a 105. Okay, all is looking perfect, and then click exit. Okay, exit, and use a use a surface stamp command is used here, and all is a this is also select here, and this angle is 90 degrees correct, and this distance is a this height is 42. Okay, and this is a first radius is 5. First radius is a 5.2, and then second radius is a 5.3. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, but some okay, this is a 48 is correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this is looking perfect, and one also command is discussed here. This is a use a use a teardrop command is used here, and this length is 2 millimeter, and again first radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and select at first select this is a setting with edge without smooth edge is correct, and this boundary is created here. Okay, this is a upper line is click here, and this boundary is a correct, and again select 1.5 is 1.4 is better. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, select a teardrop command is this is a 2, and again select a 2. Okay, and 1 by 1 is all is a boundary is click here, and then okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, click. Okay, this boundary is created here, and this is very looking nice here, and all is looking perfect. And this is a material is apply here, and select this shading with material, and then this is a hide because this body is looking perfect, and this all plane is hide. Okay, this is a plane is also hide, this point is also hide. Okay, this is a correct, and material is apply here, and this metal is correct, and use a steel. Okay, and select this steel, right click, and this going to property, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a this is a meeting room is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this body is this this new plate design is designed here easily and clearly, and this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a create a multi view is going to this section. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also this is a better. Okay, but this is a not this is single is a correct, and all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.